Okay, now Tiger, let's make more tables from the data available.
This is so much fun. I could do it all day.
Make table from data. Represent the number of fruits in the form of a table. We have 30 apples, 40 oranges, and 35 mangoes. We organize this as fruits and number of fruits. Apples. We have 30 apples. Oranges. We have 40 oranges. Mangoes. We have 35 mangoes. This is a table containing fruits and number of fruits. I'm very proud of you. Represent this data of children and their age in the form of a table. Let's organize the data on cards in rows and columns.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 4 Math.